Optimize your FS10 wearable breast pump usage. Start your FS10 breast pumping adventure. Battery indicators. A flashing single battery bar on your breast pump signals it's time to recharge for continuous use. Assembling the FS10 breast pump. A complete assembly guide. 1. Fit the silicone diaphragm into the flange until it clicks or feels secure to ensure the pump works effectively. 2. Attach the valve to the flange, referring to a video guide for correct placement. 3. Connect the flange with the attached parts to the container, ensuring a leak-proof fit. 4. Place the silicone breast shield onto the flange, aligning the grooves and pressing down the edges for a good seal and comfortable use. 5. Ensure the breast shield magnet fully covers the main unit's magnet area. Advanced control of the FS10 pump. Modes and levels for professionals. The on-off button on the pump motor unit powers the device on with a short press and turns it off with another short press. The FS10 Wearable Breast Pump delivers a seamless pumping experience with its massage and expression settings. Adjust these settings across 5 intensity levels for personalized comfort. Safety Simplified, a thorough guide. Memory recall feature. Easily resume your last session with the pump's automatic memory function. Automatic safety shutdown. The FS10 pump automatically turns off after 20 minutes to ensure a safe and comfortable session. For assistance or inquiries about your FS10 breast pump, contact TPH Technology. We are dedicated to your satisfaction and the superior performance of our pumps. Thanks for choosing us.